I'm going to show you how to use this really cool research site called lily.org in your research for argumentative writing. So you'll go to lily.org, li.org, and you will come to grades 5 through 8. You'll click that, then you'll go down here to Explora, and you'll go Explora Secondary. Then they're going to want you to search for anything that you're researching. So I'm going to say, I'm going to start fidget spinners. Fidget spinners in school. So I'm going to find a cool site right here. It will probably at some point ask you also to put your town or your zip code and your town in there, and you will do that as well. Anyway, once you get to your article, you will see exactly where it comes from, and then there's the article. You can either read it or you can actually listen to it. So if you listen to it, you get the idea. You can probably read it faster than what they're going to read it. Anyway, I'm going to ask that when you take notes over this, you put where you got this from, which is Pittsburgh Tribune Review, and then you will take notes just like we've been doing in class. If it has a definite side that it's on and it's only one-sided, you will express that in your notes. If it has both sides, you will put a yes and a no. Anyway, then you'll take notes over this article. For this project, I'm not asking you to cite your sources like most of the times when I have you research. However, check this out. For the future, when you are researching and you're using Lily, this is pretty cool. You can cite. So it says cite. You can go to export to this bibliography management software, and you go to direct export to EasyBib. And check this out. It is asking you, do you want to import this into your easybib.com account? And you say yes to import it. And it is right there for you. So then when you're done with your research altogether, you can export, you can save it to your Google Docs. You can choose your account. You can go to your Google Docs page and it will be cited right there for you. So as you research using Lily, these are all very valid resources. They've been checked, and so they are very reliable resources. So any of these are great articles for you to read in your argument. Anything you find through Lily is going to be credible.